What is up, people? I got another one of those big bang for your buck mods that's cheap but makes a big difference, and vinyl wrap. Now this is obviously the whole car needs a new color, but this is gloss black, and I'm just gonna be wrapping the roof today. Yeah, and I got some help, so yeah, this will be the start of changing the color of the car. I'll show you the color the car is going to be in a later video, but just for today we're going to start by wrapping the roof, just so I can kind of get my hands on some wrap. It was only 45 bucks, but it'll make a big difference in the grand scheme of things, and I want to get a little practice before I start on the whole car. So yeah, I should probably get the roof clean. This car is pretty filthy. Let's do that. One thing I'm going to try to do before I start cleaning it, so I can make sure I can clean it as good as possible, is take off these little black trim pieces. I think they come off easy, but we'll see. I don't know exactly how to take them off, but it can't be that hard. Yep, not too hard. You just gotta lift it up where you can grab it and slide it off these little bracket things. Yeah, there we go. Just gotta do the other one now. Okay, so before I start cleaning the roof, I'm gonna hop in here and I'm gonna undo the antenna. But that's gonna be a pain in the butt because I have a harness bar behind the seat. So I'm gonna have to finagle my way in there. And there's 3 clips on your roof liner that you just pop out, and then you can move it down just enough to get a wrench in there and undo the nut that holds on the antenna. But I gotta, get in there and do that. I got the clips out, I just gotta take the antenna off. So yeah.
Hey YouTube fam.
I'm going to have to do some yoga. Oh crap. Okay. That wasn't too bad. So I pulled the clips out, so now I gotta just slide in there and undo the antenna. Is this wrench even big enough? I don't know if it is. Holy crap, it's not. What a coincidence. Ain't that about a... Take this and hand me, in the top of that toolbox, there's a 19mm socket. I need that and a wrench. Get that.
Okay, he got so much stuff in here. Let me see what's what. Honey, I don't see none of your 19s.
It's labeled on the thing.
Well, clearly it is, but I don't see it.
I just put one in there a while ago. You're not looking in the right spot. There's more than one.
Oh, I see it. I see it. Here.
Alright, there's a connector in there that I didn't realize I needed to unplug. But make sure you do that so you don't got to crawl in and out of your car 4 times. Yep. There it is. Now we can just clean the roof off. Here's yours. Here's mine. And we're just going to use some isopropyl alcohol to get it clean as possible. So you can go on the other side. And you want to make sure you clean this dirt out of this little crevice right here.
Damon, if you're gonna be watching this video, he got me out here niggering and stuff like y'all used to do.
Unroll this whole way.
Oh my God.
It says nigger rig garage. What do you expect?
Y'all, I almost don't even want no part of this. I'm so nervous. I have never felt so much panic in my life.
Why?
Because,
I don't like the
man, but this is your car. So it kind of feels like it.
I promise it's going to be okay. Unless you screw it up, then
Unless I screw it up?
Yeah, if you screw it up, then we're on fight. So let's screw it up.
If anything, you're going to screw it up using a freaking hairdryer.
It makes the same thing as the heat. Okay, so here's the game plan. We're going to unpeel it and stick it down right here on the front part of the windshield, and then pull the backing from under it from the front back. I'm going to wipe this back and move the shield down some more there. So that's the game plan. You got that? Unpeel a little bit, stick it down on the windshield, unpeel the bottom part from the front back. Got that? Cool. Take that front corner up just a little bit. Just pick it up, up. Pick it up, because I gotta pull it over this way some more. Is it covering the whole roof?
Mm-hmm.
Pull it. Pull it and lay it down. Okay, so you can see I kind of got it glassed out over the roof. These like corners and stuff don't matter, that's getting cut off. So this is where I'm pretty much going to go grab a squeegee and work my way from the middle out and push it down into the crevices. And this is where I'll also give it a little heat too, to kind of soften it up a little bit so it's more pliable. Yeah, it's recording. Alright, so I just put a little soap and water on the squeegee to kind of help it glide across the vinyl a little bit better. So I'm going to give it a little bit of heat. Not too much. I'm just going to work my way from the inside out. Dang, that's about it. How long do you think that took?
About 35 minutes.
For a roof. Alright, so I'm currently editing this video, and a sad story, I accidentally deleted some of the footage. I have recovery software on my computer, but it couldn't recover every single clip that I deleted. So I did lose a few clips for this video, but long story short, I wasn't happy with the wrap job I did. I decided I'm going to go to a professional to get it done, because I don't want to waste, you know, $600 something odd dollars of vinyl trying to wrap the car myself and then it come out like crap. So yeah, I wasn't happy with it. I took it off. We're going to go another route and let somebody do it professionally. I don't even have the car right now as I'm speaking to you about this. So that's all I wanted to tell you guys. I'm gonna end the video right here. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you guys maybe dropping the car off for wrap. I don't know, we'll see. But you know, see you next time.